Hey folks, this afternoon I'm out on our bear swamp mitigation site that's wrapping up construction this week. Hopefully things go well. Things have been coming along pretty good. Thought maybe show some videos and some drone footage of what the site looks like here right at the end of construction. A lot of bare dirt right now because we're right at the end of construction, but we'll be planting soon and everything will be greening up. So let's take a look. So prior to the restoration work we've been doing here, there was a big ditch that ran down the middle of these farm fields here, 4 feet deep or so, and it drained all the adjacent land. But there was this corridor of old wetland soils through here, so that's our indication that this used to have been a headwater wetland stream system. So what we've done is simply fill the ditch back in and then reformed this little small shallow channel down the middle that will flood during storm events, put water out onto that floodplain, rehydrate those wetlands, and kind of get that function back to the system again. The farm fields that are at a higher elevation will be left in production, and because of the topography here, we can do this project, pay the landowner for the land that's being taken out of production, and then they're still able to produce on the fields that are at the higher ground that won't be affected by the project. So works out well for everybody. Well, that's our bear swamp site. Site will get planted this winter with a bunch of trees, and we will go into the start of 7 years of environmental monitoring next year. So we'll be watching the site over the next few years to see how it performs, and I'm sure there'll be more photos and videos to come.